What's going on, everyone? Resilient FX here, coming at you with another video. Today we're going to be doing a weekly breakdown of all our past trades for this week, our live positions and our technical analysis for the week. So jumping right into it, we started with the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. It's in this nice downtrend since the beginning of February. As you can see, there was trading in channel, a symmetrical triangle. It broke out. We took all shorts on these. And now it's in this bullish harmonic pattern, bearish harmonic pattern, sorry. And with our Fibonacci support and resistance, I thought to take a nice short on this trade, and it has reversed, unfortunately, and gone long. But we got out yesterday at break even on this nice doji formed yesterday on the daily time frame. But it completely went opposite. It completely broke the trend, which it hasn't for months, as you can see. So the one time we take the short, it decides to finally break the trend. Not too disheartened about this trade. It just went against us, broke the trend. Technicals were in our favor. There were 6 out of 6 confirmations that I like to use, and it broke all of them for me to take the short. We was swing trading this for 274 pips and 195 pips. A risk to reward of 1 to 2 and a 1 to 5. Close to my stop loss at the minute. But this trade, not too disheartened about. It's broke the trend and gone against us, but we got out at break even. So this trade is just a 0-0. Our next trading opportunity came along with the GBP/CAD. Now, looking at it on the daily time frame, it's been respecting the 50 EMA for quite a long time now, along with the 50% Fibonacci. We took the short on the 4-hour time frame, round about here. We took it with this huge Maribozu candle, and as soon as we entered, it hit our purple resistance support and it shot up to our 50 EMA. It's currently battling in this support and resistance zone, but it's in an overall downtrend, as we can see of this huge candle here. We're now seeing a nice pullback, and we should see it create a new low round about here. This is our main weekly and daily support and resistance, so I'm targeting it come down to these levels right here, about 166,500. But right now, as you can see, I still like to do my analysis once I'm in a trade, breaking a trade, just to see if there's anything that I spot that will make me think this is going on. So what I decided to do is place another entry on our 50 EMA, and we are currently sitting around, I think, 75 pips. 62 pips in profit on this trade, and we're currently down, but only down 16 pips in the long-term trade. So what I like to do with my long-term swing trades is I like to also enter in these smaller time frame trades, which give off a nice risk to reward and also a lot of pips. 127 pips I'm going for this trade. I can close it out now before the weekend, but I'm just going to stick in it and hope for no market gaps like you see over here and here, because this is what really messes you up when trading the pound and there's all this news around Brexit. So this trade currently in profit and doing well. Now my next trading opportunity was coming with the New Zealand dollar and the Japanese yen. As you've seen in my previous video, it created this nice heads and shoulders, support and resistance, but when I said to you that it broke this trend line, as you can see, it fully broke it and has now created a new high. So this, I will not be taking a trade in anytime soon, just because it's an indecision. It's breaking the trend. I thought it was going to go short, but right now, I'm not too sure where this pair is going. If we look at the daily time frame, it's just going long. I don't know how this pair's got so much strength and so much momentum. I thought it would have a pullback, but that huge daily on resistance, it should come back down. But again, until I've got all my 6 confirmations, I will not be taking a short in this trade, just because I don't want to take any risks when trading. And now the New Zealand dollar versus the US dollar, we took a short in the premium chat and we profited 57 pips. And this is why take profits have to be so accurate, because this was 0.03 away from not hitting our take profit. But it hit our take profit, and now it's just shot up and broke another trend, which I'm quite surprised about because I was thinking about taking another short around here. That's why I had this trend line in place as a confirmation as to when it broke it. I was going to send a signal out for it to come short back down to this trend, back down to my 0% Fibonacci, sorry. But again, this has just broke the trend, and this hasn't been broken since the beginning of November. So the whole of this month has been a downtrend, and now it's gone up to resistance, which the new high was at, and is currently rejecting it quite a lot. So I would like to see this pair go down to maybe the 61.8% fib, which does give off a nice, took the entry there. I think that's still 70 pips. That's still a good trade. You can have quite a tight stop loss just because of the entry. But again, I'll be doing my weekly breakdown analysis in the next week for current trades. And that is it for all current positions we took. So we took the AUDUSD and got out at broke even. We're in the GBP which were currently 70 pips in profit. We caught another 57 pips in the NZDUSD. New Zealand dollar yen didn't give out any trading signal just because it didn't confirm on our confirmations. And in New Zealand dollar USD Swiss I just talked about. So they were the only trades that we took this week. We profited around, I'd say around just over 100 pips this week, which isn't too bad. Our monthly breakdown reviews are on our website if you want to go check them out. It shows all our trades in our monthly report. So yeah guys, I will see you all next week.